Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn about Python modules and we are going to explore some sections. What are modules, why we use modules, importing modules, creating our own modules, different ways to import modules, built-in and third-party modules. What are Python modules? A module in Python is a Python file containing definitions and statements. It's a way to organize and reuse code across multiple programs. Modules can include function, classes, and variables. Why we use modules? Reusability, organizations, namespace management, and maintenance. A module are pre-written piece of code that are used to perform common tasks like generating normal numbers, performing mathematical operations. Modules are used to break down large programs into small manageable and organized files, and it provides reusability of the code. In Python, you can import a module using the input keyword. Let's see a basic example of it. So here I'm going to import math module. This math module contains a lot of mathematical operations. Here I'm going to create a variable a, then you have to call the module name math, then put dot, then you can see that there are a lot of method inside the math module, and here I'm going to call square root, which are sqrt, and inside the parenthesis I'm going to put the value 100. And what will happen? It will find the square root of 100. Let me print the a variable and run this, and you will get 10, which means square root of 100 is 10. Okay guys, let's create our own py file, then import it as module. To do this, let me create a new file, py file, say open, then new, then the Python file. Inside it I'm going to name as mod. Then let me create a function name as add. Then inside the parentheses I'm going to put x comma y as a parameter, then say return x plus y like this, then call the add function, then inside it just put anything 3 comma 5. Okay, then let's come to the module.py, then import the file name mod, then a variable a equal to, then call the module name mod, then put dot, and you will see the method called add, and inside the parentheses you have to put the argument value. Here I'm going to put 2 comma 8 like this, then print the a variable, and let me run this. You will get 10. Okay guys, let's create one more function in mode.py, say def, then a function name as sub, then inside the parenthesis x comma y as a parameter, then fruitful function which is return x minus y like this. Then outside of the function I'm going to call the function sub like this, then put anything 3 comma 5, then come to module.py, and to access the sub I'm going to type like this: from the module name mod import the function sub, then create a variable a equal to, then you need to call the import module names, right? But here you won't need to call the module name directly. You can call the function sub, then put the value 3 comma 1 like this, which one is 2, say print a, and you will get, wait, you will get 2. To import all of the function, then you have to type like this: from the module name the mod import, then the star asterisk, which means import all the functions and method from the mod modules, and it will give you access to access all the functions and methods. Here I am created a b variable, then the function, and function inside the parentheses you have to put the argument value, then simply just print b and you will get the answers 2 and 9. Built-in and third-party modules. Built-in modules are modules that are included with the Python programming language installations. This module provides a wide range of functionalities and features to developers without requiring any additional installations. Examples of built-in modules include OS, sys, math, datetime, random, and collections. Third party modules are modules that are developed by the individual or organizations with outside of the Python standard libraries. This module extends the functionality of Python by providing additional features and tools for specific purpose. Third-party modules can be installed using package managers like pip and are hosted on the repositories like PyPI, which means Python Package Index. Okay guys, let's install a third-party module by opening the terminal. Then inside it, say pip install the num2 words like this. Then it may take time. Okay, then let's import the num2 words module. This num2 words module which going to convert the numbers to as a string. For example, here a equal to the num2 words module name, then the num2 words method, inside it just put 3 or something numbers, then print a and you will get 3 as in the alphabetic order. Say I'm going to put 31, then go and you will see 31. And that's a wrap on today's topic about Python modules. We are covered what they are, why they're useful, and how to use both built-in and custom modules. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Python programming tutorials. If you have any question, leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!